Morning, family. It's almost 7 o'clock a.m. A little foggy, just lightly fog. You can tell from the sun looking clear. Some of the fog is burnt off. I'm at my first, it's not even 1 mile, but I'm in an open field at the end of my street. I got 58 birds in there. I think I got 3 of them in quarantine that's on 4 and 1. They look a little light, so I was trying to bring them back to life. So that's 58 right there, and the 3 in quarantine, 61. I lost 2 of them. They just one morning I came out, one was dead. Came out this morning, one was dead. So that's 63. So I actually still had the original. Well, I still got 61 birds, and we're just gonna run with what we got and see what happens. All right. I'm gonna put you on pause. They've been out here for a couple of minutes. Gonna give it a few more minutes. Gotta hurry up home before the trash man comes. Okay, they kind of settled in right now. They ain't moving. They were like a bunch of wild cats when I was trying to grab them, and they went and boy, they didn't want to go lightly, but they went flapping wings and screaming. There's no hawks out here, just a crow getting chased by a mockingbird. But we're gonna let them out and see what they do. First time. Cool. Well, they did just what I wanted them to do, and that's swing wide. There they go. I don't live that way, but actually, I live that way. So we'll see how long they fly in that little area over there. Try to get the camera on them. We got some that broke off already. 1, 2, 3, 4. They go one right there. They had 4 of them heading the right way. The group is still over there trying to figure out where they're at. But let's head to the house because I gotta get ready to go to work. See how long it takes them to get there.
We don't know what.
All right, on my way home.
On children.
Here they go right there.
We can spread it to our children, and in LA County, we are fully masked again.
So we know they circling, going the right direction.
I felt.
Let's get that one, cut that off. I only live right down the street a little bit more, but I hit you on pause. All right, just now making it to the house. I know they ain't gonna beat me because I passed them. I was just looking to see if maybe it was 1 or 2 birds that might have made it here before all the other birds. And I'm gonna check in the back right quick. Let's see what's going on back there. I know where the flock is, but I want to see if we got some singles that was smaller than the flock. Nah, no singles. Oh yeah, there go 2 right there. They still flying around, so we know they know their way home. So we at least got 2 that we know. I guess the flock shouldn't be too far behind. Yeah, nobody in there. This is we got a couple more strays. Let's see, 2 more, 4. Gonna put you on we got 4 flying overhead. So at least we know they made it. 4 made it. The other group is down the street, so I know I've seen them. So let's hit you on pause. Let me go get the stand. Here we go. Just got here. Yeah. Well, everybody knows where they're going tomorrow after the count. Let's see. How many more I got? These are the ones that was a little light, so I had separated them. That red one is the Trenton and the Mexican cock that I have. That's her baby, her third one. So I got two more, the Mexican bird, the Mexican cock, and the Trenton from Pancake. She looks just like the mother. I hope it's a hen. I heard them come down. There they go. All right, so they completed what they're supposed to. First toss, right at a little under a mile. But they're going right back tomorrow because they still didn't beat me home. So let's get them back up later tomorrow. All right. Yesterday, I called them in. Not one single bird came in to eat. So I just put the trap down, which I better go ahead and do in just a second. But comment, subscribe, do what you do. We're gonna weed out the lazy ones. See, we still got about 4 that's still flying, and those are the original 4 that came in before these birds did. All right, comment, subscribe, do what you do. Appreciate all the flyers. Peace.